Welcome back to my training. I will explain here group by, order by, mainly these two. At first, let's check the table. Select all from user. This is our table. We see we have data, total 9 rows, and we select all. Now I am going to use order by. Select all. You can write capital letter. Select static mean all from table name, semicolon. Press enter. So we can see that we have total 9 rows. Okay, and clear the screen. We have total 9 rows here. Now I want to do one thing here, that order by, and press enter. Okay, there is a typing here. You have to order by, let's say, is. Okay, and you see it is providing us rows, and but this is, it is 9, 10, then 10, then 24. It is a small to large number, ascending and descending. Now if I write here ascending, this, okay, and if you use here descending, it will large value will go up. Okay, descending. This is basics of order by. And default, when we choose default, let's see what happens. It just keep the data how we inserted, something like this. Okay, so order by, or order by, you have to is. If you don't do anything, it will do a default, and if you say it is descending, it will do descending. All right, clear the screen. Now I am going to show group by. Now select all from user. Okay, this is our main table. Now I'm going to use select name, type name, country is from user. Okay, group by name is, name, country is, and order by is. All right, so I basically want to make a group. So now you see that here when you select all, it shows 9 rows. Now here when we use the group by, you see 6 rows. So what happened here, the similar data, okay, similar data like Jerry Japan 10, Jerry Japan 10, Jerry Japan 10, here three rows, right? But here you see Jerry Japan only once. Okay, like Harry UK, here is 1 and 2. Okay, to understand, if I do this thing, select all from user, okay, order by, oh sorry, yes. So here you see that when we do the order by or default table, so it is providing us sequentially 9, 10, 10. Okay, now Harry UK here is 2 times, and Jerry Japan 10, okay, 3 times, and Jerry Thailand 1. Now when we use the group by, you can see that Harry UK, okay, it comes only 1. So it is, basically removing one, which is duplicate. And here is Jerry Japan 3 times, it is just taking one time. Okay, is that clear? That is how it works, that group by and order by. It is important. Thank you to watch. If you have any question, you can write